In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to disable two-factor authentication on Luno. Now, disabling two-factor authentication on Luno generally involves these simple steps. First of all, you just need to access your Luno account through the app or the website. They need to find security or settings section of your account. They need to look for the two-factor authentication or 2FA option. Now, there should be a disable or turn off or similar button. Now, Luno will likely require you to verify your identity before disabling two-factor authentication. This may involve entering your password, using another form of authentication if available, and potentially confirming through email. Now, confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. Be aware that disabling two-factor authentication reduces your account security. If you're having trouble disabling two-factor authentication, contact Luno's support team for assistance.